Hey guys, my name is Kavya and welcome back to this channel, and in this video we are going to talk about a special brand that came out with a unique idea that provides the consumer modularity and upgradability. So the company name is Framework and they are a laptop manufacturer, actually an American laptop manufacturer, and the company is founded by Nirav Patel. So let me show one of his pic. Oh, that seems bit serious. This seems nice and happy. So the aim behind this company is to actually provide consumers laptops. Those are easily upgradable and people can actually repair them. Like they pasted some small QR codes on every single part. So you can just scan that and you will gather information about that. And you can repair that by your own. So let me explain how all these things take place. So you brought a laptop and after a few years you will find that the battery is not that great or the processor is not that sufficient, and you want to upgrade something like your RAM or SSD, anything basically. You can't do that in normal laptops, but in Framework you can do that. Currently they are having actually two models, one is normal and second one is DIY, and I am very much excited about DIY. So you got your laptop, but you can do some finishing touches like you want a RAM from a specific brand or a SSD or a Wi-Fi card. So as you can see, we are right now on Framework website and here you can choose your laptop. So let me just go through their website first. Okay, you can see this is the normal version and this is the DIY version. You can actually change a lot of things here, and they are attached with some good names. I say how you can make a DIY option. So we are going to select configure now in DIY option, and here it will ask us for processor. So we will select this one, and before that I will tell you that they mention each and everything. Like this is Intel Iris Xe graphics, webcam 1080p 60 fps, hardware, privacy switches, fingerprint reader, on battery size and backlight, keyboard and everything. And now we will select Wi-Fi, of course the top version. Okay, I will bring my own storage, so you can say here none. Bring your own. We can buy our own and we can insert that here. And now let's go to memory. Let's say 32. Like you can see, they mention each and everything very clearly. 32 megahertz. And I will say yes, this one. Operating system, I will bring my own. And after that you will go here and you can buy here the adapter. Yes, we want adapter and we can even bring our own adapter too. And after that you can see here some questions. We can just check out here like that and we will go next. And after that here you can see we have an option to select our ports. Here we have an option to select our ports. So we will get a display port and a micro SD. This one also, one this. We can bring any like this two or this one, two or this one, as much we want. Okay. And you can insert them like this, as you can see right now here. You can do like that, and we will go. And yes, we can even buy some storage expansion cards. Like you want extra storage, you can just buy from here. These are like cards. This one is 1 terabyte, this one is 256 GB, and after that we will go to next. If anyone from Framework is seeing this video, I really love this company. I really love your team and you. And one thing that I forgot to mention, this company is founded in 2020. Really amazing. You just brought a amazing product in the market. So if you are watching till now, thanks, bye. Till then, take care.